Australia's Subclass 186 visa, your direct pathway to permanent residency in Australia's workforce. The Subclass 186 visa is Australia's trusted route for skilled workers to achieve permanent residency, tailored for Indian and South Asian professionals. Subclass 186 allows skilled professionals to live and work permanently in Australia through employer nomination. It's part of the employer nomination scheme. Eligibility for the direct entry stream includes relevant qualifications, skilled occupation on the list, and at least 3 years of experience. Achieving PR offers job security, access to healthcare, study options, and long-term stability for you and your family. An approved Australian employer must formally nominate you for a role matching your skills and experience before you can apply. The employer nomination verifies your skills and position, ensuring you meet government standards for skilled migration. Processing times for the Subclass 186 visa usually range from 6 to 12 months, but may vary by individual circumstances. Your family, spouse, and children can be included, gaining rights to study, work, and enjoy life in Australia. Children on this visa may access world-class Australian education, from schools to universities, under resident rights. Permanent residents receive access to Australia's universal healthcare system, ensuring peace of mind for the whole family. Permanent residents can access career advancement opportunities, professional development, and apply for Australian citizenship after 4 years. Employers value Subclass 186 residents for their stability and commitment, making this visa attractive for both parties. The journey includes employer nomination, skills assessment, application submission, medical checks, and, finally, PR approval. Is the Subclass 186 visa your stepping stone to a better future in Australia? Start your journey today